Hey guys, about 6 or 7 months ago, I brought home a pair of birds. A beautiful couple. They quickly became a part of my family. She lived behind her newborn, alone, delicate, and helpless. From that moment on, I became the baby's guardian. It wasn't just a pet, it was a friend, a soul I shared my time, my food, and my days with. Just like this little one in my hands, I used to cuddle him too. It was so tame, so gentle. I thought it trusted me completely. Never thought it would leave. Maybe it found the freedom it always deserved. Maybe it just followed nature's call. I don't know, but my heart feels heavy. If you're out there, little one, I hope the skies are kind to you.